Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the lighting for your CC5, the Character Creator 5. I'm going to show you the easiest way and the most effective way to adjust the lighting in CC5. So the first step, what you need to do is just get any of the HDRI, any of the picture, and then next what you need to do is just go to the window, Workspace, and go to Standard. Make sure you go to the Standard and you can see a visual tab is at here. Click the visual tab. Visual tab, you have to just scroll down until you see the IBL, the image based lighting, and this is your 3D avatar. So the IBL, what you need to do is just insert any of the HDRI picture or any of the 8K tone map, and this one I downloaded from HDRI Heaven. Just go to the HDRI Heaven website, you can get some of it. Let's say if I want to just apply this red color lighting, just drag and drop into here, drag and drop. Then the strength, you can just adjust it, then you can see it already have the lighting. So maybe I'm going to just add another prop from here. Just add another prop. Maybe just add a 3D block. And I'm going to just let you see the effect. This one, Ctrl G to just turn on the grid. So I drag and drop into here. Alright. So just now you are in visual and just look at the strength. The lighting, maybe I'm going to just change it to another one, maybe the Chinese garden. Just drag and drop into here. Alright, then now just look at the lighting effect. It is exactly the light that projected from here. Then this one, I'm going to just show sky, the blur. Alright, now you see, this is exactly the lighting effect that you can adjust. It is just like a sky. Alright, maybe I change another one. Maybe some indoor. Just drag and drop into here. Now it changed to become the indoor. Right. This is the image based lighting. Right, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make the lighting effect just by using a piece of the image, what we call the IBL, and also the HDRI. It is just like a surrounding HDRI that you are going to add into the background. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!